sheep. So we're off to our second favourite place in Llandudno, after the arcades of course. Oh, and the ice cream parlour and the chip shop and McDonald's and KFC and some other places. Where are we off to, Jacob? We're off to the farm? Yep, we're off to Bodafon Farm. We'll see what's going down at Bodafon Farm. Here's the entrance, and if you're thinking of coming, it's completely free. Yes! Raining at the farm, raining at the farm. You alright, Jacob?
No.
No? Hey, Kerry?
Yeah.
It's raining?
Yeah.
We like it here, don't we?
Yeah.
Down at the farm. So we're at Bodafon Farm, we're having some food, and Kerry has just bought this. Meat feast pizza. Is that cheesy chips?
Yes.
Is that one of you? Cheesy. Is it good?
Oh, it's so good.
Can I have some? A little bit. Thanks. You okay, Jacob? What are you eating? Crisps. I'm gonna have some pizza. We'll show you the animals in a bit. So we've destroyed our meat feast pizza. We're going up the stairs to see the birds of prey and all the owls. Let's go, Jacob.
So we're at the owls, the birds of prey bit, and this one is a white-faced Scots owl.
No, there's not really
Hey, Kerry. Which owl is the most common owl of all?
I don't know.
The teat owl.
Right, okay. That's not sheep owl. Sheep owl. And here we have a long-eared owl. Whoa. Can't really.
So we're up at the top with all the birds of prey. Got all the owls is the one. Typically, there's not going to be one in here, is there? No, typical. With all the birds of prey. Not one in there. Anyway, lots to do here. Big park there, kids park, pigs and things. Lots of animals around. Bodafon Farm. It's free and it's great. I love it. What a day! We've been to Llandudno today, we've been to Bodafon Farm. We enjoyed it there, we like it there, don't we?
Yeah.
Like it there, Jacob? No? I think you do. We saw the pigs, we fed some sheep, nearly lost a finger. Still there. And what else? I've seen the goats, the deers, they were good, nice, the deers, weren't they?
Had pizza.
And we had pizza. If you're thinking of going there, it's in Llandudno. It's free entry for everybody, but go and buy some food or something there, some homemade food and drinks as well. It's worth it. And have a lovely day there. Bodafon Farm, we'll put the details as well in the description below. Don't forget to thumbs up, Jacob. Thumbs up. Okay, I think somebody wants to go to sleep. Comment as well where we can go. And subscribe to our next video of the Big North Wales adventure. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye? No. Goodbye.